Hi guys, what's up? In this video I want to show you how to make a stylized nose. First of all, I grab a Sphere 3D and then I activate X symmetry. I divide my mesh. To go dividing step by step, don't divide it too much. I grab a clay brush. Okay, first I should make it polymesh 3D. Now I drag with clay brush, adjust the size and the intensity. We want to shape our nose. The first shape, the base mesh of our nose. As you can see, we are going to make it look like a nose. Okay. Now we divide it once more. Now we have 130,000 active points. We smooth it, smooth the edges, smooth the rounds, and now I get my dam standard to shape my nose. Drag some lines. You see, now we got to shape a nose. We can make it however we like. It depends on your model. You make it look like your model. You can see that I'm using different kinds of brushes, clay brush, dam standard, and we are going to use a move brush. I don't know, trim dynamic. These are useful. Trim dynamic is useful for a stylized one, as we want to make our edges. We want to make edge. We don't want to make the edges smooth. We're going to make them sharp. You see, I smooth it, then I drag some lines with my dam standard. Now I choose my edge polish, and you can see I'm going to polish the surface sides of the nose, down part of it, and this is going to look like nose. Now I choose my move brush. I can shape the rounds, the corners, and the down part of my nose. Just have in mind, in making the stylized nose, we can use two methods. We should obey two rules. First is to make sharp edges, or it's gonna be round in some kids cartoon or something like that. It depends on your model. Okay, now I'm working with move. I want the middle to be a little wider. Then I choose my edge polish again. I'm going to trim the sides, polish the sides, make every surface flat. You can see that our nose is going to look like a stylized nose. With this method, you can make tons of noses, stylized noses. You can make medium brushes, and it's useful for yourself, or you can sell it wherever you want on the markets. Okay, we are going to finish our nose. Now this is our stylized nose. It looks good. We can make some changes, as I said. It depends on your model. Now on the back side of our sphere, I want to make another one with masking. You see, I want to make a round, circular like nose. I mask that part, mask pen. Then I reverse it. I choose move brush and I increase the draw size. Now I can extrude it. You see, I extruded it. I have the base shape of my nose. Now with move, I shape my nose to whatever I want, where I want to be. This is going to look good. Okay, I choose my I can let the masking be because I don't want the sides of it. I don't want to disturb the sides of my nose, my sphere. Okay, now I'll polish the upper part, the down part, different parts of my nose, and I want to flat the surfaces. You can see this is looking so good. You can see now I have some sharp edges. It looks exactly like stylized nose. Okay, now I clear my mask. Now I want to make nose holes, maybe some wider nose holes here. I divide it once more. Now I got 2 million active points. It is good for our nose. Okay, you can see. Let's flat the corners, the sides of our nose with edge polish. Edge polish is more useful here than trim dynamic. It's better to use edge polish, or actually it works good for me. Or no, you can choose dam standard to get some lines around of your nose. Maybe you can shape the sides of your nose. This is good. Now this is another nose model. Now we have 2 methods. In this video you've learned 2 methods to make a stylized nose. So hope you enjoyed this video. I would appreciate it if you like and comment on this video and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.